Hi buddies, it's me, Gigi. Today we are going to do a painting, but without using brushes. Instead of brushes, we are going to use marbles. I love experimenting with different abstract painting techniques, and I hope you will too. For this project, you'll need a box that's slightly bigger than a piece of construction paper. You also need some marbles. I'm going to use 3 different marbles today because I'm using 3 different colors of paint. Some purple, some blue, and some black. I also have paper towels in case this gets a little messy. Take your marble and give it a good swish in your paint. Place it on your paper anywhere that you want. Tilt your box to roll your marble around. As you can see, the marble will leave a track of paint on your paper. Once it starts to run out of paint, roll it around one more time in your paint, bring it back over, and do the same thing. This part is a lot of fun to watch your marble roll all around. Let's do all 3 marbles at once. I'll take the purple one. Now I'll roll the black one around. I'll place that somewhere else on my paper. How about here? And now I'll roll the 3rd marble around in this blue paint. And I'll place it over here. Now pick up your box and watch your marbles go for a roll. Once they start to run out of paint, simply dip them again and repeat. Whee! I'll add some more black, just one at a time. Most of the time, the marble likes to just roll in a straight line, but you can kind of work it a little bit to get it to go in a curved line if you want. Just play around with it and have fun. Whee! I think I'll do some more blue just by itself. Look at it go! Look, I made a squiggle shape. And I think a little more purple should finish it out nicely. Ooh, another squiggle. Those are fun to make. A look at what we made today. I love the bright colors and the fun way the lines squiggle all around the paper. As much as I love painting with paintbrushes, I think it can be a lot of fun to experiment using different materials like marbles and getting to play with colors and lines and shapes, rolling it all around the paper. This looks so cool. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. This was a really fun project, and it's super quick and easy too, using materials that you might already have lying around your house. So I hope you'll give it a try. I'll see you guys again soon, and happy creating!